Manage customer credit limits and short-term credit requests to balance sales growth with financial risk control. Credit line request management begins in finance, the strategic control of customer purchasing power. The customer field identifies the specific entity requiring a formal credit limit adjustment. Currency determines the specific monetary unit applied to this customer's global credit limit. Credit line specifies the proposed maximum balance permitted for the customer's trading account. Remarks provide the business justification necessary for credit analysts to evaluate and validate the request. Attachments facilitate the submission of supporting financial documentation required for institutional risk assessment. Effective credit management balances commercial expansion objectives with organizational financial risk containment. Short-term credit requests manage temporary financing needs distinct from permanent credit limit structures. Identifying the customer and currency ensures the request aligns correctly with specific subledger accounts. Specifying the short-term amount and business purpose assists Treasury in managing immediate cash flow requirements. Expires on defines the precise date when this temporary credit extension automatically lapses. Documenting the request with attachments ensures a complete audit trail for internal regulatory compliance. Submitting the request establishes a pending record for final authorization and real-time status tracking. Centralized credit management streamlines financial risk mitigation and supports sustainable sales growth. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.